Hello, this is Forrest with Forrest Buys Houses, and there we are right there. This is our Freeman Street property that we introduced to you a couple weeks ago. It is December the 16th, 2019, and it is about 4:30 in the afternoon. So we have got the demolition done and some of the interior painting started. We have the windows ordered, and I just want to take you guys on and show you what a difference just some rough landscaping makes. So you guys can remember before we had all these huge bushes right here, and they were beautiful bushes, but they were overgrown for the house, and you know, sometimes you just got to say, you got to go. So along the side of this house here, we had trees that were just completely overgrown, that were too close to the foundation, so we were able to get them all out of there. And you know, that dumpster took 2 days to fill. So they really done their work on this house. So we'll go inside and take a look and see what we got going on. So we've got the trim, which was wood. You got to do an oil-based primer on this stuff in order to get the new paint to stick. The reason why the windows aren't painted is because we're getting new windows. It's just the trim has been painted and the ceilings have been painted. So this wood will also get painted as well. And as I've shown you guys before, we did the central air conditioning system in this house, which house is nice and warm. Now down here, you'll be able to see straight down into the crawl space. But basically, we took that unit that's right there out. Now what we'll do is we'll come in here, we'll frame this up, and we'll put a new subfloor in here. And then we will actually take this hardwood floor and we will tooth it in with new hardwood flooring. And it'll, to some people it'll be noticeable, but to most people it won't, that we've done it. So we oil-based prime these doors, and then, like I said, all the ceiling's done. And then when we refinish these floors, they'll be beautiful, just like the last house we did. All right, so you can see that we're on our way in this house pretty good. So let me show you guys the bathroom. You know, this bathroom turned out really nice. So, I mean, what we have to work with has turned out really nice. So there's no real rot in here as some of the usual places that you would see the rot from water leaking. So all the pipes are good. There's no real corrosion. There's no real rusting. We will cut this out right here, or maybe even a little bit closer, or maybe even try to get it off there and replumb both of these. So we'll see what we can do on that. But we did there was a closet right here, and we went ahead and took that out. So that gave us about 24 inches of extra. So basically 2 feet by 1.5 feet. So it gave us a few extra square feet in this bathroom, which really will make it feel a lot more comfortable in here. So we'll take this sink, move it down here, do a 36-inch vanity, which will give us a lot of room right in this area, so we won't feel so cramped up where the toilet is. That window is going to move. We're just going to do a 4-piece bathtub, so 3 pieces of wall and then a fiberglass bottom, and then make that beautiful. Let's see, what else do we got going on? We got, the kitchen's been demoed, so I went back and forth on whether or not I should take the kitchen cabinets out. We'll address that in a minute, don't let me forget. All right, so I went ahead and took the cabinets out. Last time, everybody made fun of me for leaving the cabinets in the house down the street. And yes, they were nice cabinets, and yes, they were pretty, but yes, people are probably right that people want to see new cheap-ass cabinets from Lowe's and Home Depot in there, and they want them to be white. So you know what? I'm not going to fight it. I'm just going to do it so I can sell this stupid house. And because that's my job, selling houses, right? Making them pretty and selling them. And I'm just not going to fight the trend of cheap cabinets. So everybody wants cheap cabinets. So these nice built-in place pine cabinets that would be here for 100 years, they're gone. And so I want to take you guys and show you this back floor. I told you guys about this floor and how it would scare off most people. Well, let me show you what we really have going on here. So basically we have rotten wood right here. let me back up. Okay. So everywhere we had mold or damage, we went ahead and cut it out. Okay. And we took the hot water heater out. That would have been the only thing that was gas in this house. And so we just went ahead and took it out. I'm gonna eliminate all the gas in this house, and that will eliminate roof penetrations, as well as it'll eliminate one bill. So we'll just do a high efficiency hot water heater, and that's electric, and then we'll have one less bill to deal with. All right, so let me get over here. So what we have going on right here, we have this rot right here, this water damage. Okay, and water damage is caused by, you see that, that boot has failed, and then above it, you can see the water damage on, so a part of that boot's failed and a part of that roofing shingles has failed. And that's right in line with like this back area. Now, I'm not saying that it's an addition back here. It looks like it's original to the house because you can see how the ceiling truss system works. But anyway, point is, there's a failure point right there. It's letting water in. You can see all the water damage. Okay, and as it comes down the wall here, let me show you how it. So it took that plate and just disintegrated it. Okay, and then it that plumbing's jacked up too. We're gonna have to fix that. And the thing to do with that is cut that sucker out and put some plastic pipe in there, and you'll be done with it. Not plastic, but the PEX piping, and that'll be the end of that. And then you see all that rotten wood right there. So what do we have? We have 10, 20, okay, 30, maybe $50 in materials here. Okay, we'll call it 100 because I got to get a piece of plywood in right here. So $100 in materials and a good half a day worth of work, and this problem that would scare people away has been solved. So don't let yourself be fooled by things that look to be a big deal, because they're really not. They're just, somebody needs to come in here that knows what the heck they're doing and do it right. And if you have any questions, you can let us know, and you can always reach us through our website. Our phone number's right on the top there, and one of us will get a hold of you, and we can talk through your problems. If you need us to buy your house, that's great. If you need us to help you sell your house, we can figure out some kind of arrangement to do that. If you want us to flip your house, we can do that too. I think we've proven that time and time again through these videos that we know what we're doing. And now that we pulled all the foliage away from that garage needs a little bit of help. So in another video, I'm going to go into detail about this garage. But for now, we're just going to look at the nice little holes in the garage. Okay, so back to here. That's the pipe boot that failed. That one's going to go away. That one's going to get replaced, that pipe boot. That's the bathroom and the kitchen. And then that chimney right there, it's got to get fixed. So the best thing to do is just take this son of a bitch out of there. So we're going to take that chimney down, take it underneath the ceiling, because we did a electric heat pump. So we don't need any gas. That flue was only for gas. And so take it out. It'll be a problem that's eliminated, and we'll never have to worry about that chimney again. And a home inspector can't say to fix it, right? So works out great. Look at this house over here. That house for sale. And that chimney, a home inspector's gonna have a field day on that one. So that's my new heat pump. Gonna do new siding on this thing because everybody else is telling me just go ahead and get it sided. And I'll probably take this ugly crap out of here and just put a railing. Just put a railing right there and be done with it. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, we'll see what I do. We'll figure it out. It'll be a surprise. So blackberry bushes, we got all the dead ones cut out. These are the new ones that'll get berries next year, hopefully, except for that one that's cracked. And yeah, they did a good job. I'm impressed. So, you left that. I guess I'll throw that over there. All right. Till the next one, y'all be good. And if you like these videos, just let me know you like them. And if you don't, let me know you don't. And then I don't really care if you don't, but if you do, I want to know. All right, y'all take care. See you later. Bye-bye.